Hello everyone. In this video we are going to learn about fraction. This is the part 1 video on the fraction where we will learn type of fraction and conversion of fraction from one type to other. Now what is fraction? A part of whole is called a fraction. Numerator over denominator. This is how we represent any fraction. So what we take in the numerator, we take all the shaded or non-shaded part, where in the denominator all the parts. For example, I have taken here one circle and I divided this circle into 4 equal parts. If I shade this part, so now how I can write the fraction for this? I can write 1 over 4 because I have divided this circle into 4 equal parts and the shaded part is 1. How I can write the fraction for the non-shaded part, which is 3 over 4. Here we have one more example. Here I have taken a square and I have divided that square into 4 equal parts where I shaded 3 parts of that square. So how we can write the fraction for the shaded part, which is 3 over 4. And how we can write the fraction for the non-shaded part, which is 1 over 4. Now here I have taken the third example where I have one hexagon which is divided into 6 equal parts and 2 parts are shaded. So how we can write the fraction for the shaded part, which is 2 over 6 because it is equally divided into 6 parts. And what is the fraction for non-shaded part, which is 4 over 6. Now type of fraction. First is proper fraction. When the numerator is lesser than denominator, the fraction is known as proper fraction. For example, 2 by 3, 4 by 7, 5 by 9, any fraction where the numerator is lesser than denominator. Next is improper fraction where the numerator is greater than denominator. For example, 4 by 3, 5 by 2, 10 by 7 and so on. Next is mixed fraction where the fraction is written in the form of QRD. For example, 2 1 by 3, 3 2 by 5 and so on. But what is Q, R and D in this? Q is known as quotient, R is remainder and D is divisor. Next is conversion of fractions. So here we have two type of conversions, improper fractions to mixed fraction or mixed fraction to improper fraction. So here I have taken first improper fraction to mixed fraction. So we have this improper fraction because the numerator is greater than denominator. So how we will convert it into the mixed fraction? For that I will take the division sign. 7 and 6 because 6 is the divisor and 7 is the dividend. So I will divide this 7 by 6. So 6 times 1 is 6, remainder is 1. So how I can write this is QRD, where Q is the quotient which is 1, R is the remainder which is also 1 and D is the divisor which is 6. So here I can convert 7 over 6 as 1 over 6 in the form of mixed fraction. Next I have taken 9 over 4. So I will take this 9. Here we will take 4 because 4 is a divisor. So 4 times 2 is 8. Remainder is 1. So again I will convert this into the form of QRD, where Q is quotient which is 2, R is remainder which is 1 and D is divisor which is 4. Now next is mixed fraction to improper fraction. Here I have taken one example which is 2 whole 3 by 4. So how we can convert that mixed fraction to improper fraction? So for that, this is QRD. This is the form of mixed fraction We multiply these two things, Q times D, and R is added to that product over D. So for this, 2 times 4 plus 3 over 4. So 2 times 4 is 8 plus 3 over 4. And now 8 plus 3 is 11 over 4. So this is how we can write 2 whole 3 over 4 is equivalent to 11 over 4. Next I have taken 3 4 over 7. So again we will substitute the value in this formula. So here we have this Q equals to 3, R equals to 4 and D equals to 7. So Q times D, which is 3 times 7 plus 4 over 7. So 3 times 7 is 21 plus 4 over 7, which will give us 25 over 7. So we can write 3 4 by 7 as 25 over 7. So here I have taken few problems. Pause the video and do it on your own. Then check the answers. So here we have all the answers. Check whether you have got it correct or not. If not, go through the video again. Thank you.